But yeah,
Whenever I go
keep
for
your
a
hands.
cave.
Yeah, keep your hands away from him. Do this for you. You can just open that door.
Do you want to step up?
But all those kinds of behaviors have reduced.
Good boy.
Well, there you go. Those behaviors have gotten much reduced because he is coming out.
Good boy.
Watch yourself back in
Oops, you're stepping off the couch. I don't know where you're going. Should I put him on this?
Nope, I would sit down and keep him on your arm. And don't feed him a treat without the entire treat cup yet, because I don't trust him right now. So just hold this up to his face and he'll eat out of it. And there you go.
Gonzo. He's a crazy bird.
He's smart. He is so smart. So this is your second time handling Gonzo?
I think my third.
Third time? Good. Really good for him.
It's good for you. You hear that?